So here you're going to match the missing conversion Tetris pieces to the correct fit. Okay, so if you have 8 quarts, we have to figure out which one of these converts to quarts. Well, 4 quarts is not the same as 8 quarts, so it can't be that one. So let's go to our conversion table and find 8 quarts. And 8 quarts, well, I don't see quarts except for 1 quart, 2 pints, 4 quarts, 1 gallon. Well, if I have 8, that would have to be, I could have 2 gallons, or I can have 4 quarts. Well, let's look which one we got. So 4 quarts, I'm going to see 2 gallons that's there first. 8 quarts, if 2 gallons is up there, it is. So I'm going to place it in that to make a box. 16 fluid ounces. Let's go to our conversion table. 16 fluid ounces. Well, I have 8 fluid ounces is 1 cup. So 16 of them should be 2 cups. 2 cups, 2 cups, and 2 cups is right here. 6 cups is how many? Is it 3 pints or 4 quarts? Well, let's look. Cups. 2 cups, 2, 4, 6. That could be 3 pints. 3 pints. Which leaves us with 4 quarts is 8 pints. And that's vocab for today.